Make a sour apple martini. Martini is a refreshing and famous cocktail. Martini, as all we know, is made up of vermouth and gin, and it is garnished with olives. However, Martini has many variations like Big Apple Martini and Gibson. You can also put various garnishing like apple schnapps and apple puree to enhance its taste. The flavor will depend on the brand that you will use. Try a sour apple martini if you haven't tried it yet. Below are different recipes of alluring and flavorful sour apple martinis. Sour Apple Martini Recipe 1. You will need a shaker, martini glass, 3 ounces of apple juice, 3 ounces of lemon lime soda, 1 ounce of sour apple pucker schnapps, 1 ounce of vodka, ice cubes, and strainer. Fill your shaker with 3/4 ice cubes. Pour the lemon, lime soda, apple juice, schnapps, and vodka on the shaker. Cover the lid tightly and mix well. Strain the mixture in a martini glass. Put a slice of apple on the glass for garnishing. Serve cold. Sour Apple Martini Recipe 2. You need 2 ounces citrus vodka, 1/2 ounce DeKuyper Sour Apple Pucker schnapps, ice cubes, and 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice. Mix the ingredients in your cocktail shaker with the ice cubes. Strain the mixture in a chilled cocktail glass. Use apple slices as garnish. Serve. Sour Apple Martini Recipe 3. You need 3 ounces lemon lime soda, 3 ounces apple juice, 1 ounce sour apple pucker schnapps, 1 ounce vodka, ice cubes, and maraschino cherry, slice of apple or lemon twist as garnish. Add the ice cubes and the ingredients in a cocktail shaker. Stir well. Strain the mixture in a martini glass. Put your preferred garnishing. Enjoy. Sour Apple Martini Recipe 4. You need 1 ounce sour apple pucker schnapps, 1 ounce vodka, 1/2 ounce orange liqueur, ice cubes, and 1 maraschino cherry, slice of apple, or lemon twist for garnish. Pour the ice cubes and the ingredients in a cocktail shaker and mix well. Strain the mixture in a martini glass. Add your garnish of choice. Serve cold. Sour Apple Martini Recipe 5. You need 2 ounces, 1/4 cup, chilled vodka, 1 1/2 ounce, 3 tablespoons, chilled sour apple schnapps, 1/4 teaspoon fresh lime juice, ice cubes, and green apple slices for garnishing. Pour the ice cubes and the ingredients in a cocktail shaker. Pour the mixture in your martini glass. Put a green apple slice on top of the mixture. Enjoy. Add other martini variations to your party if you desire. Try Martinez, Gibson, Smoky Martini, Babyface Martini, Mint Martini, Mocha Martini, Monk Martini, Black Martini, Bacardi O Tini, Blavod Martini, Pear Martini, Vodka Martini, Saketini, Scarlett Martini, Tini Rita, Vodka Martini, Vodkatini, and Watermelon Martini among others. As you can see, there are almost limitless martini variations. You can create an original martini variation. Begin with known variations before you experiment. Having a sour martini is like having an apple for a day. You can order a martini in any bar. Learn to prepare perfect martinis to give a best treatment to your guests. Let your family members or friends taste your mixture before serving it to others.